Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking a Vietnamese salad. It's worth it to make a trip to get some of the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. And if you want the full recipe, then fast forward to the end. Let's start with the marinade. First we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of lemongrass powder, onion powder, garlic powder, sugar and oil. Next we need the 1 tablespoon ingredients: soy sauce, oyster sauce and fish sauce. And the honey, but I'm not going to stick this in the honey. About a tablespoon. Now I'm going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, salt and ground black pepper. Now I'm just going to put this in the microwave for 10 seconds just to soften the honey. Smells really good. So now it's all mixed together, I'm going to add into it some chicken breast. The way that I'm going to cut this is into strips about 1 centimetre in thickness. So now I'm going to mix the marinade all into the chicken. I think I might have to get in with my fingers. In this container, I can suck the air out, and that's going to help it to marinate quicker. I'm going to put this in the fridge for 1 hour. I'm going to go have a sit down for 30 minutes and then I'll come back and we'll do the veg. Now to make the dressing, we need to put in 2/3 cup of lukewarm water, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 garlic clove finely grated, and 1 teaspoon of sambal. The sambal you might need to get from an Asian store. Give it a good stir. When you taste it, if it's too sweet, then you need to balance out the flavour with the lime juice and the fish sauce. Now to make the pickled veg, we need 1/4 cup of the dressing we just made, plus 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And then we're going to add into that 1 carrot julienne and 1 cucumber finely sliced. Now we need to prepare some lettuce and some herbs. Normally I would put mint in, but at the moment I don't have any mint. Heat some oil in a pan and let's get the noodles ready to go. Chicken smells amazing. Let's get it on, start frying it. I'm not going to start my timer until I actually hear that sizzle. Once I hear the sizzle, I put the timer on for 5 minutes. Because this is a full pan, I'm just going to move them around so the ones on the outside get some time in the centre. Now I'm going to mix up the salad. With the pickle, I'm not going to put the juice from the pickle in because it's got vinegar in it. Mix it all together. Put some of the dressing in. It smells really good. It's quite aromatic. Time to turn the chicken. I'm going to put the timer back on for another 5 minutes. Time to get the vermicelli cooking. I'm going to drain the vermicelli and then put it back into a pot of cold water and do that twice just to cool them down. Now we need to check that the chicken is cooked. Looks cooked to me. Oh, this looks amazing. It's going to taste so good. I'm feeding 4 people Make sure the vermicelli gets mixed in with the other greens. I went to Vietnam 2 years ago and the food was amazing, and I came home in search of the recipe in particular for the dressing, which is also a dip sauce. So if you make a spring roll, you can dip the spring rolls into the sauce, and it's just so yum. And there it is. Hey, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.